Hi, let's see how to install Chef in this session. Okay, so before we proceed with the Chef installation, let's understand what is Chef. Chef is an infrastructure automation tool. Okay, see this, it is the documentation of Chef. Chef is a powerful automation platform that transforms infrastructure into code. Okay, so that helps us to automate our infrastructure means right from the server creation, installing the softwares, uninstalling softwares, users creation, network settings, firewall settings, groups creation, files creation, configuration changes, services restart, everything. Okay, almost all the operations can be automated, okay, across all the platform, not just Unix or not just Linux or not just Red Hat. Okay, across all the platforms can be managed using Chef tool. Okay, so this is the Chef diagram. Okay, workflow diagram. It seems to be Chef development kit, Chef server, Chef clients will be there. Okay, I think I have drawn a simple diagram here similar to that. Okay, so there will be three components in the Chef, okay, which we really important to understand this. Okay, Chef workstation in the sense, this is a this can be a general computer. It can be your laptop also. It can be your laptop just like that. Okay, here we need to install, okay, Chef DK. Okay, Chef DK. So Chef DK has to be installed here, and this is for development kit. And so here you will develop a cookbook here. Okay, cookbook in the sense it here the programs are called as cookbooks. Okay, so you will develop the cookbook. Okay, it can be this can be, let's assume this green star is for Java installation. Okay, you will develop this here, and then using the knife tool you will upload this to Chef server. Using the knife tool you will upload this to Chef server. Once you upload it here, and you will be mapping this cookbook to the respective servers, so that this Chef server will send these instructions. Okay, as per these instructions it will be taken by the nodes, and this node will get converged, and that instructions will get executed on the server, so that installation of this Java will get installed on the respective nodes. Okay, so this is how you will just develop here. You will be the DevOps engineer will be sitting here, and he will develop the code. He will develop and upload it to here, apply it on the respective nodes. Okay, so not just one or two nodes. Okay, it can be thousands of the nodes, hundreds of the nodes. Okay, in the real-time environment. Okay, so this is how it will help us to manage servers. Okay, server management is very easy. Okay, if you study this Chef tool. Okay, so here three components, as I said: Chef workstation, Chef server, which connects with all the nodes and sends the instruction to the nodes. Chef nodes are the one which are your real-time environment servers. These are the servers which connect with the server and fetch the instructions, pull the instructions from the server to local, and come and implement these configuration changes in the respective nodes. Okay, these are called as nodes. Okay, so I have already two servers, Chef DK. Here we install Chef server. Here we install Chef server, and here we install Chef node. Okay, Chef node, just Chef. Okay, so for our demo I'm going to explain, I'm going to show it like this. Okay, I'm having Linux 1 server, Linux 2 server as one node, Linux 2 server as one node, and I'm going to use hosted Chef server in the sense Chef community server. Okay, I'm not going to install Chef server okay manually here. Okay, I'm just going to use hosted community server. Okay, so I'm just going to use hosted server. Okay, hosted server. Okay, so let's see, for this hosted server you just have to connect manage chef.io. Okay, log into this one. It's very simple to get registered here. First you should get registered here. Full name, company name Advith, company name Advith Devops World, email advithdevopsworld@gmail.com, username Advith. Just give I'm not robot, I agree this, so just agree, just get started, that's it. Okay, so you'll get the email and validate that. So once you validate it, your account is ready. Okay, so just give and then you log in, either give username or mail ID and log into the manage chef console. So here you have to first create the organization. Okay, first you have to create the organization. Under the administration, go to the under administration tab, just click on create. Okay, so this one I'm going to make this as demo. Okay, I think this name is not available, so let's make this as Advith Devops World demo. Advith Devops World demo. Okay, right, create organization. I'm just creating organization here. So once you created, just switch to it is not yet refreshed, just switch to perfect. Once you created this, just refresh this one here, better, just refresh Advith Devops World demo, just select that Advith Devops World demo, and under the administration click on Advith Devops World demo. This is ours right now, and click on super starter kit. Okay, starter kit. So let me come back to this diagram. Let's come back, sorry. So here, as of now, what we have done, we just created account here. We just created the account here in the chef server. So in the chef server we created an account, and we created the organization name called ADW demo. Okay, this is our organization name. Okay, so now let's come back to chef DK. Okay, chef DK. Okay, let me show you my Linux servers. So these are my two servers, chef workstation and chef node. Okay, there is no chef server. I'm going to use the hosted server here. Okay, I have already connected through this putty. So this black one is chef node, and this white one is this black one is chef workstation, and this white background is chef node. Okay, black is workstation and white is node. Okay, so where should I install chef DK? I should install in the workstation. Okay, so I should install this in this black screen, right? So whether it is there or not, let's see, right? So to check that, rpm query space chef dw, or just give rpm space -qa pipe grep chef. Okay, there is nothing here. Okay, nothing has been installed, nothing is there. It's a plain vanilla machine. So now let's download it. Okay, for downloading it, just go to here, very simple, chef.io. For downloading it, go to chef.io, click on downloads, click on download button. You will get a lot of options here. Just be careful while downloading. So which one you want to download? Okay, there will be a lot of downloads here. Start with DK, chef server download. Okay, start chef automate. So several download. Okay, we want chef DK to be downloaded. Just click on this. So now there will be multiple operating systems, right? Debian operating system. For Debian, you have to download this Debian file from this link, Debian 7. so on. So Red Hat 7, this is the RPM. Okay, Red Hat 6, Mac. Okay, for all the operating systems they are given the execution of links. Okay, for Windows this is MSI file. Okay, like this we can just click on the download so that it will get downloaded in your machine. Okay, so I want to download for Red Hat. My machine is Red Hat. Okay, this is Red Hat Linux 6. Okay, so let me copy this. This is the one I want to download in my machine. Okay, so use wget, give this URL. Okay, so it is saying the error to connect this package insecurely, use hyphen no check certificate. So don't check for the certificate, just give at the end of this, it will get downloaded in the workstation. Okay, so what I'm doing here is now I'm trying to install ChefDK. I'm trying to install ChefDK in Linux 1 computer. Okay, Linux 1, that is workstation. Okay, yes, so it is getting downloaded. Let's wait for a few more minutes. Yes, of course it will take time. It's a big software, so it will take time to download. Let's wait. So meantime let's understand the flow again. So ChefDK, once it has been installed, okay, ChefDK will get installed. Chef server is already ready. So once these two are ready, what we need to do here, okay, we have to establish the connection. We have to establish the connection between these two. Okay, this establishment is also a small work here. Okay, right. So for this establishment, how to do, I will tell you. Okay, first let's install ChefDK and then we'll go for the establishing connection between ChefDK and Chef server. Okay, so this is hosted server. That means this server is being maintained by Chef community. Okay, it's like not on premise. Okay, maybe in real time they will go for the on premise server installation. That means your own Chef server. Okay, your own Chef server. Okay, you have the full control, you have the full administration, okay, on this Chef server. Okay, that will be enterprise and it will be licensed software also. Okay, so if you wanted to refer on-premise software, how on-premise server to be installed, I have already uploaded one video on-premise server installation. You can refer that video for referring to install on-premise server configuration. Okay, so almost done. This one is done. 91, 94. Yeah, perfect. Okay, it's downloaded the RPM. Now what should we do? We should just use RPM space -ivh command to install this. Okay, let me make a note of all the steps what we are doing here. Right, so this is the command I use to download it in workstation. This is the command, and second command what I'm doing, I'm trying to install it. Right, and just give down installation. So let it get installed. Almost done. So ChefDK is ready. Right, ChefDK we have installed it. So what's our next step? We have to establish the communication. We have to establish the connection between ChefDK and Chef server. Right, for this what should we do? Okay, let's complete this installation, then we'll go for that connection. Right, so now you see the command rpm-core chef, you will get the output like this. That means you have installed the ChefDK in this mission. Right, perfect. Now now to establish this connection between this one and this chef server, we have to go to our organization and Advith Devops will demo. This is our organization, right? Just click on starter kit, download starter kit. Okay, click proceed. You have to download this starter kit. Okay, this is a kit. It you need to copy this to the workstation wherever you have installed JDK. Okay, JDK will understand this kit. Okay, this kit will have server URL, server configuration, server related information, right? So this is in my server. This is server somewhere it is there. How can we establish the connection between this? Okay, this one should know server information, server URL, all these things, right? So those information will be available under the chef starter kit. Okay, so we have to download it and copy it to the workstation. Okay, let me copy it. Yeah, I just copied this chef server.zip file here. Okay, so using WinSCP tool and then extract it. Okay, extract this unzip and chef-server.zip. So once you extract it, it will create the folder called chef repository, chef repo. Go inside of this directory. You can see the directory is called cookbooks and rolls. These are the basic directories. LA give to see the hidden directory, hidden information. There you can see a hidden directory called .chef. This is a very important one. .chef. You can see this is a PEM file. Okay, the user's PEM file and knife. It is the one which has the server configuration. Okay, so you can see server URL. This is the server URL. If okay, every organization will have its own server URL. Okay, every organization. Okay, so here under the administration we will have different organization, right? Each organization will have its own starter kit. Okay, whenever you want to connect to that respective organization, you have to download that organization's starter kit and copy it to the chef JDK. Okay, sorry, chef DK, not JDK, DK development kit, right? So yes, of course, that's fun, copying this and extracting. So by this our connection establishment has been done between the Linux server and chef server. Okay, you can run a simple command knife node list. Okay, what are the nodes are there in my organization? Okay, failed to authenticate PEM file, failed to authenticate Advith, synchronize the clock on your host, right? So to see that knife node list, okay, knife node list, it will not display any nodes because there are no nodes have been added in this organization, right? So now this is fine, the connection between Linux and this. Now let's establish the connection between chef server and chef node. That is my Linux machine. Okay, that is my Linux machine 2, right? So this is already been installed it here. Okay, this is my chef node and I have already connected through PuTTY as well. Okay, so here also we should install chef client here. Okay, so as of now rpm space -qa grep chef. You can see there is not okay, sorry, this is okay, white color is chef node, rpm space qa grep chef. Okay, there is nothing should have been installed. This is a plain vanilla server. Okay, there is nothing been installed here now. So fortunately we don't need to install it manually here. We don't need to do that. Just we need to run a command in workstation. We need to run the command in workstation to establish the connection between your server and the node. Okay, just we need to run the command here to establish the connection between server and node. Okay, what is that command? Right, command is knife bootstrap and the IP address of the remote machine node ifconfig. This is my IP address, right, 214, and then give username, root -p password, sudo, and -node. Okay, node name. Let's give the node name as node A. Okay, node name is node A. Okay, what is the command? Knife bootstrap IP address. Okay, IP address and username, password. Okay, these are the three parameters are mandatory to establish the connection between your server and node. Okay, and this is the name of this. Okay, so that your chef can identify this node using this name. Okay, just enter this. So it will help to install the chef client in the node that is here, right? So when I had executed this, it did not show anything, right? Isn't it? Let's see. I think it is downloading this HTTPS where it is 214 in this server. It is getting downloaded somewhere, and so what it is doing here is indirectly it is connecting to this computer using SSH, downloading that RPM, downloading the required script, and executing this installation in this server. Okay, so if you can see this helping query, now it is still not yet installed. Let's wait, and of course this is also in progress still. Okay, let's see that. So once that installation has been done, it will display the chef version number here. Okay, it is not yet installed. Let's wait for a few more minutes. It will take time initially. Okay, it is the first time it is running that connection between chef's node and server, right? Okay, it will definitely take time preparing. Okay, installation is almost done, it seems to be. Okay, let's keep running this command here. Keep running this rpm space hyphen query. It is not yet, it is just rpm preparation. Okay, installation preparation is done but not yet installed. It is preparing. Okay, only the preparation is done. So let's see for a few more minutes to get it installed. Okay, so if you can use this Windows, also you can use workstation as your Windows also. Doesn't mean that you have to use this Linux. Okay, so I feel that Linux is for better and more faster. That is why I'm choosing this. That's it. Okay, so now you can see the command here, chef RP. See this, now it is showing this because you can see this installation has been done. Thank you for installing chef. Okay, now you can go to the console here and refresh it. Under the node you should be able to see the node here. Okay, still it is uptime is unknown. That means it is still taking some more time. Chef encountered an error. Okay, so there is some error. Okay, let me correct. Right, I just reran the same command again. So it asked me to do you want, it's already exists, you want to override? Yes, and did not throw the error. And so now once it is been ran successfully, you can just refresh it here. You can see the nodes called node A has been added here. Platform as Red Hat, FQDN, okay, fully qualified domain name, IP address, and uptime, how many seconds. Okay, from past few seconds only this machine is up and running. Okay, uptime, because I just restarted that also, right? So that's why it is showing this. And last check-in. Okay, so when this node has taken the changes from the server, okay, when was that check-in happened? And under the attributes tab you can see a lot of information. Okay, what is the memory, swap memory, cache. Okay, total complete information about that node will be fetched to server. Okay, and all the details will be maintained by the chef server hereafter. Okay, so this node is under the control of chef server now. Okay, so hereafter if you need to upload any cookbook and apply it on this one, you can you can apply it on this server now, right? So this is how we have to install the Chef workstation. Chef, you can use a hosted server, Chef server, and you can install the Chef client on the node, right? Thank you so much. Keep watching Advith DevOps World for many more videos in future. Thank you.